Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Surfshark, which is a VPN giant that's really popular in the industry. Now, before we begin, if at any point you'd like to jump straight into the pricing and discounts, you'll find everything you need in the description down below. So why should you consider using a VPN like Surfshark? Well, for one, it can help you to access geo-restricted content. Have you ever tried to watch a video on YouTube or Netflix only to find out that it's not available in your country? Well, with a VPN, you can connect to a server in a different location and access the content. One of the most important aspects of a VPN is the level of security that it provides. Surfshark uses AES 256 GCM encryption, which is considered to be one of the most secure encryption methods available. This ensures that your data is completely secure and can't be intercepted by hackers or other malicious actors. Now, in terms of privacy, Surfshark has a strict no logs policy, which means that they don't keep any records of your browsing activity or personal information. This ensures that your privacy is protected at all times. But what sets Surfshark apart from other VPNs on the market? Well, for starters, it offers an impressive number of server locations with over 3,200 servers in 100 different countries. This gives you plenty of options for finding a fast and reliable connection no matter where you are in the world. Additionally, Surfshark offers a feature called Clean Web, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware, making your browser experience faster and more secure. Another great thing about Surfshark is its affordability. With plans starting at just $249 per month, it's one of the most cost-effective VPN options available. And with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try it out completely risk-free. Surfshark also offers a kill switch feature, which automatically cuts off your internet connection if the VPN connection is lost unexpectedly. Now, this ensures that your sensitive information is not exposed if the VPN connection drops suddenly. Split tunneling is another useful feature, which will allow you to choose which apps are routed through the VPN tunnel or which apps are exempted from the VPN tunnel. You'll also get multi-hop or double VPN, which routes your traffic through two servers instead of just one for double the security, and static IP servers, which will always give you the same IP address. Not to mention no borders mode, which will help you connect to Surfshark from censorship-heavy countries. And another feature to complement that is rotating IP, which will rotate your IP address every 5 to 10 minutes while keeping your location the same to help cover your tracks. Another great feature of Surfshark is the ability to use it on a wide range of devices. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Linux. It also has browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, which makes it easy to use on all your devices no matter which operating system they run on. And unlike some other VPNs, Surfshark does allow an unlimited number of devices to be connected to a single account, making it a great option for families or small businesses. But as with any VPN, there are a few downsides to consider. While Surfshark offers great speed and reliability, it's not the fastest VPN on the market. So to conclude, Surfshark VPN is a great option for anyone looking for a secure and affordable VPN service. With over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, it offers an above average range of server locations to choose from. The Clean Web feature blocks ads, trackers, and malware, making your browser experience faster and more secure. And with unlimited device connections, it's a great option for families or small businesses. With plans starting at just $249 per month, it's one of the most cost-effective VPN options out there on the market. The kill switch feature, AES 256 GCM encryption, and no logs policy ensure that your data is secure and private at all times. And the best part is the ability to use it on a wide range of devices. It's easy to use on all your devices, no matter which operating system they run on. So if you're looking for a VPN, be sure to check out Surfshark. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Surfshark, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below. And feel free to comment if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or you'd like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.